Understanding Call for Papers, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in the English language. Call for papers. This phrase is commonly used in academic and professional contexts, so understanding it can be really helpful for non-native English speakers. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how it's used. Call for papers is a phrase that you might come across in academic, scientific, or professional environments. It is an invitation sent out by organizers of a conference, seminar, workshop, or journal, asking people to submit their research papers or articles for consideration. The purpose of this call is to gather submissions on specific topics, which will then be reviewed and possibly selected for presentation or publication. You'll typically see a call for papers in academic journals, conference websites, or emails from professional organizations. These calls are often targeted at researchers, scholars, or professionals who are experts in a particular field. They include details such as the theme of the conference or journal issue, submission guidelines, and deadlines. Understanding this phrase is crucial for students and professionals who are involved in research or academic work. It signifies an opportunity to share your work with a wider audience, gain recognition, and contribute to your field of study. For English language learners, recognizing this phrase can open doors to international conferences and publications. If you decide to respond to a call for papers, here are some tips. 1. Read the guidelines carefully. Make sure your paper meets all the specified requirements. 2. Choose relevant topics. Your paper should align with the theme of the call. 3. Be concise and clear. Write in a clear, understandable manner, particularly if English is not your first language. 4. Proofread and edit. Ensure your paper is free of grammatical errors and is well structured. I hope this video helps you understand what call for papers means and how you can engage with it. Whether you're a budding researcher or a curious learner, knowing this phrase can be incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English language.